Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, duplicating a video. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now let's go to office.com. Let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Now we can go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Export all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Stream. Let's find the video we wish to duplicate, screen recording for CSV, more options, open the file location. This will directly take us to OneDrive. And this video itself is stored in My Files, folder Screen Recordings, Screen Recording for CSV.webm, more options, copy to within its same destination folder. Let's just copy here. And as we can see on screen, copied one item to Screen Recordings. Now let's refresh the page. And there we go. Screen recording for CSV1.webm is the copy of the original. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.